So I got this little gem from my buddy Kyle. It is a little UPS that has USB out, and it's also got some POE out ports. You know, here's some of the specs. 20,000 milliamp battery, almost 21,000. It'll do 24, 48 volt out on the POE. So I'm working on a review of this guy, but this is kind of the first look. And a little power button on top. Get it out here. Here's those ports. You know, switch selectable, 24, 48 volts, so you don't have to worry. You know, 5 volt output for, you know, maybe a Microtech HAP or something like that, or even your phone. And then it's got barrel outputs. And then there's your standard 24 volt, or not 24 volt, you know, 110 volt outlet. Got a little power plug with it. But here's some more SB. But yeah, you know, just a standard little power plug. I think that's and a little barrel connector. You know, that'd be perfect for powering a little Microtech. But yeah, that's what we're looking at. Reviews on the blog coming, and a more in-depth look and all of that.